Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the topic BCD addition. BCD addition means addition of BCD numbers. Here two BCD numbers has given. The first one 567, the second number is 597. Whenever we talk about the BCD, we have to specify each digit separately. We should not speak as 567. It should be 567 only. Like that 896. What is meant by BCD? BCD means binary coded decimal. That means decimal digits represented in binary form is called as a BCD. The decimal digits are from 0 to 9, totally 10. To represent decimal digits, it requires 4 binary weights because the largest decimal digit is 9. To represent this 9 in binary, it requires 4 weights, 8, 4, 2, 1. The equivalent BCD is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now to write the BCD for this 567, we should specify BCD for each and every digit separately. So for 5, based on 8421 weights, its BCD is 0, 1, 0, 1. Leave 1 bit space and then write for 6. This is 0, 1, 1, 0. Next 7. Again leave 1 bit space. Now we should write the BCD for 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. Similarly 896, 1, 0, 0, 0. Because the weights are 8421. Okay. Here also 8421. Here also 8421. Okay. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we should add 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is the even number of ones. So the sum is 0. And 1, 1 means one pair of ones. So that it gives 1 carry. 1, 1, 1 means odd number of ones. So sum is 1. Out of these three, one pair of 1 is there. So it gives 1 carry. Here 0, 0, 1 means odd number of ones. So the sum is 1. No pair of 1, so that no carry. 0, 1 means 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here it is 1, 0, 1, 1. Now we should check this sum. 1, 1, 0, 1 means its equivalent value is 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. 13 is not the BCD sum. Okay, because BCD means it should lie between 0 to 9 only. Okay, so that we have to convert this 13 number into BCD. Okay. Similarly, 1111 means 15 total. This is also not a BCD sum. Again, 1101 means 13. This is also not a BCD sum. That means in the first step, when we add two BCD numbers, it gives the binary sum only. Now we should convert this binary sum into BCD sum. To convert into BCD sum, we have to check two conditions. Okay. The first condition is if the sum is greater than 9, add 6 to the binary sum. Second point is if there is a carry propagation, then also add 6 to the binary sum. Now 1101 means greater than 9. Okay, so that add 6. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 0. 6 means equivalent to binary 0, 1, 1, 0. Why 6 only we are adding? Here, when you observe, here to represent BCD, it requires 4 binary weights. So 2 power 4 combinations of binary we can find. But for BCD, we are using only 0 to 9, totally 10 only. But here we are using only 10 combinations. Out of 16 combinations, only we are using 10. Remaining are unused numbers. So we have to add unused numbers to correct the BCD sum. Okay. So 0, 1, 1, 0. Next 1, 1, 1, 1 means again 0, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 1, 1, 0. Now again we should add. This is 1, 0 is 1, 1. This is 0 with carry 1. Here 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 1. Here it is 0, 1. Now again we should check these two conditions. The first condition is the sum should be less than 9. Suppose if it is greater than 9, again add to 6. Now 0, 0, 1, 1 means 3. 3 should be less than 9. So it is BCD digit. This is 6. This is 4. So all the sum digits are BCD digits only. Okay. Next, check the second condition also. If carry propagation, then add 6 to the binary sum. Okay. Now, here we have to check the carry propagation. Is there any carry propagation or not? Whenever we check the carry propagation, we should check from MSB of 4 bits only. Here, this is the MSB part. Okay. So here, from this part only, there is a carry propagation. This is a carry propagation. Okay. Not within these 4 bits. Okay. Next one, we should check again from this position. So from this position here, this is the carry propagation. Okay. Now, from these 4 bits, again, there is a carry propagation. Okay. So based on the second condition, we have to add 6 to the binary sum. But already vertically, we have added 6. So no need to add 6 again at this level. Okay. Similarly, from this position also there is a carry propagation, so that we have to add 6 for this number. But already vertically in the same column, we have added 6, so that no need to add 6 again. Okay. Next, here also there is a carry propagation, so that we have to add 6 to these 4 bits. But already in this column, we have added 6, so that no need to add again. Now it is the carry 1. This is 1. Okay. Now we should write the BCD digit. This is 3. Its equivalent is 6. This is 4. This is 1. That means 1, 4, 6, 3. Okay. This is a BCD sum. Now we should check manually also. 7 plus 6 is 3 with carry 1. This is 16 with carry 1. This is 4 with carry 1. 1, 1, 4, 6, 3. Okay. You can check the answer. Both are correct. I hope you understand this concept. If you are watching my videos first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel DLD First. Thank you.